Good evening, students. This is Sushil Misra, and today I am here with my topic, that is relation. So I hope you all are following my instruction which I had given in the last video. You all are studying, you are doing hard work to get the success, to get the knowledge about these topics. And if not, then do it right now because we are running short with the time. So without wasting any time, let us start this topic. And one more thing, watch full video and do subscribe this channel to get more updates. So let us start. Relation. What is relation? So first of all, you should know relation for two set is what? Relation for two set is what? Subset of the Cartesian product of those two sets. Subset of Cartesian product of those two sets. So one set is suppose A and one set is suppose B, and we considered both is non-empty set. Okay, because if any one of it's two set, any one of it is null set or empty set, then the Cartesian product will also be null set. Make sure if any of two given set is null set or empty set, as you know, then Cartesian product of those two sets will also be null set or phi. Okay, so these two considered as non-empty set. Then what we will do? We will get Cartesian product. Okay, we will get Cartesian product. Then what will be the relation? Relation will be the subset of this Cartesian product which satisfied some special type of relation, special type of condition. Okay, so this A cross B subset or this relation will be subset of A cross B. Okay, relation will be subset of A cross B. So as you know, we need to find the relation from Cartesian product. It means we should have two set. And one more thing you should know, a relation can be written in roster form as well as it can be written in set builder form. So let us start. Let us take one example. Or one more thing I need to say, or here I can make small. Suppose this is one set, this is second set. Suppose this is A, B. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C. Okay, this is A, B, C. So what we need to do? This is pre-image. Okay, make sure this is pre-image and this is image part. This is image part. Focus here. This is very, very important for the concept of relation. So make sure each element of, okay, suppose this, it relates with this, this is with this, this is with this. Okay, these are the joint relation between first set to second set, but one element is left out. But one element of set A is left out, so it should make pair of any of the element of set B. Here 2 points are there. Okay, you just focus. Very first point, I am just erasing this. Okay, the first point itself is what? Each pre-image has unique image. Focus on this word, unique image. It means एक प्री इमेज का एक ही इमेज होगा, एक प्री इमेज का एक ही इमेज होगा. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट, a image can have multiple pre-image. Okay, again focus on this word multiple. इट मीन्स आई सेड एक प्री इमेज का एक ही इमेज होगा, बट आई डिड नॉट से कि एक इमेज का एक ही प्री इमेज होगा. इट मीन्स एक इमेज के कई सारे प्री इमेज हो सकते हैं. ओके, एक इमेज के कई सारे प्री इमेज हो सकते हैं. लाइक हियर बी के कितने प्री इमेज हैं? 2. 2 भी है और 4 भी है. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो बी को इस 1 को ए के साथ ना करके यहाँ कर सकता हूँ मैं. ओके, सो दिस इज आल्सो ट्रू. दिस इज आल्सो ट्रू. सो मेक श्योर these 2 points are very very important for relation. One pre-image, one image, one image, multiple pre-image. Okay, don't be confused. So now we are taking one example. Suppose any, may I erase this? I think so. We are taking one example to know about the relation. Suppose very first question of your exercise. Okay, first question of your exercise, it is given set A is equal to 1 2 and so on up till 14 it is given. Okay, and define a relation R A to A such that R condition is given R x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y they both belongs to set A. Okay, and now we need to find the set R. So focus here. So solution part will be what? As you know, we are having set A 1 to 14 and y is what? From here if you shift this y here, so y equal to 3x, and y is what? Second element, first x then y, x comma y. So R set in roster form will be what? If I am putting 1 here, so y equal to 3. If x is 1, y is equal to 3. Don't be confused, I am writing here 3x minus y equal to 0. So as you know, y equal to 3x. If x equal to 1, then y equal to 3. If x equal to 2, y equal to 6. If x equal to 3, y equal to 9. If x equal to 4, y equal to 12. If x equal to 5, y equal to 15. But as you know, 15 does not belongs to set A, and it is clear mentioned x and y both must belong set A. It means we cannot take 5 and 15. So relation will be 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 12. 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 12. And in earlier part I said it is subset of Cartesian of 2 set, and it is in your question it is given कि define a relation R from A to A. It means one set, first set is also A and the second set is also A. When you will take, that will be very high, NA, NB, I think so 14 elements are there, so you will have 14 into 14 square is what? 196 element. That's why we are not writing here, we are directly putting on condition and we are getting set R. Okay, so these all those elements must, or that Cartesian product must consist these elements. So don't worry, this R is what? Subset of your Cartesian product, that is A cross A for this question. So don't be confused. Now it is given, write down the domain, codomain. I am not going to explain about domain, codomain. We are discussing about relation. Next video we will have domain, codomain and range. In that I will say what are the domains, what are the codomains and what are the range. So don't worry, here only I am getting R, I am getting relation, I am explaining relation. So I am finding out the R set only. Now one more example we are taking. Suppose it is given example, next example I am taking, that is given set A equal to 1 2 3 4, set A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is given, and R is what? R is given x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1, such that y equal to x plus 1. So are in roster form, as you know, they both x comma y equal to x plus 1. So if I'll put x equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 y must be 2. If x equal to 2, y equal to 3. If x equal to 3, y equal to 4. And if x equal to 4, y equal to 5. And if x equal to 5, y equal to 6. And if x equal to 6, y equal to 7. That does not belong to set A. So relation R will be what? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So this will be your relation. I think so you understand how to form the relation. Now in coming videos we'll see domain, range and codomain, and thereafter function. Okay, I think so you understand. Thank you.